Now, according to Mariah Carey, all anyone wants for Christmas is you. But for watch enthusiasts, we might have something a little bit more specific in mind. Not that there's anything wrong with having an insatiable desire for an unnamed you, but when you really, really love watches, you probably just want more watches. Thankfully, Longines has come to the rescue in more ways than one. Firstly, their online store is already up and running with gusto, unlike many brands in the industry who've all rushed to selling online this year. This is great because if you're buying something online, you probably know exactly what you want, which means all you're really looking for is a smooth experience as you click your way to a new watch in the mail. Secondly, if you're buying a Christmas present for yourself or as a gift to someone else, you still want the luxurious first impression of a well-wrapped parcel. Because the well-wrapped parcel, apart from looking nice, is something that immediately arrests your attention for one very obvious reason. It's the only thing between you and whatever is in that box. And if you or the person you're buying for is a watch collector, then the wrapping paper will be not long for this world. Now, when considering what watch to buy for Christmas, we've got one pretty decent suggestion, especially if you live in the Southern Hemisphere. Because it might look a little out of place while shoveling snow or scraping ice off your windscreen, and we wouldn't want that. But if you're in the Southern Hemisphere and are looking forward to enjoying a cold drink on a hut beach somewhere, this guy is going to be perfect. The green Longines HydroConquest on a comfy rubber strap. The 43mm stainless steel case is a great size for most wrists, and the crown guards are more than a sensible feature for a watch you're going to be wearing every day for the 3 months till autumn arrives. But the real game changer is the dark green ceramic bezel and dial, both of which complement each other very well indeed. In a matching green colour, the soft rubber strap is the ribbon around this well-wrapped gift that just seals the deal. And with 200 metres of water resistance, you won't need to worry as you cannonball into the pool while holding a margarita. So if you're thinking about a watch this Christmas, think about this watch, because while there are many fantastic watches that have been released in 2020, this one was almost made for the Christmas-summer holidays of 2020. Head to Longines at the link in the description of this video if you want to check it out, and let us know in the comments if you think this watch would make the perfect summer companion. As always, thanks for watching.